Are you tired of your old worn-down fence, missing the privacy it used to provide? Good Neighbor Fence provides unbeatable, fast and efficient fence removal and installation faster than you probably thought possible. We offer excellent fence removal along with a variety of vibrant, durable fence types to choose from. Enhance your home's appeal and security. Save your time and energy with our hassle-free service today.
The crew came out on time, on my scheduled repair date, and finished within 2 hours. Everything looks great and several neighbors have asked for a referral. Casey Whitaker.
Don't hesitate. Transform your property with Good Neighbor Fence. 804-737-4664. We have limited spots available. Call today and secure your free quote on your next fence. At Good Neighbor Fence, we commit to enhancing your home, providing exceptional, efficient service, and giving you the privacy and security you deserve. Give Good Neighbor Fence a call at 804-737-4664. Improve your home's appeal and security with us.